don't stop, motherfucking kick rocks. I'm in the top chillin' with a 40 on the block. These motherfuckers better realize the fucking deal. I saw a real motherfucker, I got license to kill. Better catch you with my Gucci suit, I suited up. Bitch, I don't give a fuck, I'm shooting, yeah, I better duck. It's that terms nasty back up in the mic. So you better take a hike, cause I'm spitting dynamite. I be scrolling all this shit, these motherfuckers keep it real. I got skills, motherfucker, best be know I'm down to kill. Anybody cross my path, better feel my fucking wrath. So the real motherfucker, I ain't playing none of that. Kick it back with my homie, better know what's the cost. Kick it back with YK and the homie fucking lost.
You can probably freestyle this.
That's yours already? You're about to go in right now.
Almost, not yet, not yet.
It's that victim of envy, back up in the picture. Motherfucker realize I'm coming straight to get us. You better relax, cause I'm coming real slow. And I'm coming after you, so you better kick back, homes. And I ain't playing when I'm all up in the mic, cause these bitches better know I spit nothing but hard shit. So I come equipped with the weapons, so get to stepping. Whoever stepped to me quick to learn the lesson. And now you're playing, it's that Bob Peloncito. Who the hell wanna fuck with me and talk that hocico? So you better know my stilo when I'm cruising real slow in the Regal with my peoples. There's the egos, I be coming through, better know my name. You better know what's my name up in the game. You know the gang and you better recognize. Shake these motherfuckers up and toss them up like fucking